Wow, let's see how simple it is to play the extended dreads, and the only thing you're going to do just all right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone who is watching us right now. This is Hair Zipper channel, and I'm by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. I'm going to show you how you can plait extended dreads, and this is how we always start. Remember, you have to be with a hook, yes, on the gel. Yeah, this one always help you to collect all the remaining hair, to collect it together. And the hook, at times it depends on the volume of the hair, but on this one I'm using size 4. I think I can call it number 4. So you should already check out the numbers of your hooks, because it also matters. When the hair is a lot, you can use number 2, yes, number 2 and number 0. So that's how you always do the locking. So let's start locking. And trust, I told you last time, whenever you're doing the locking, please make sure the box, you arrange your boxes very nice and neat, and it's what I'm trying to do right now. Your boxes are supposed to be very, very neat and perfect. So this is how we do it. And on my previous video, I showed you how you're supposed to lock. Like, you shouldn't lock it too much. You have to leave the space for locking after you have put the extension. So you just have to lock once, and you leave some space, yes, like a quarter inch, so that when you have put the extension, you'll be able to lock it after. So this is how I lock them. I don't make them very, very tight. So if you've been following me on these other previous video, let's just start with the I'm going to start with the locking, because in this video I want to show you how you supposed to do the extended dreads. Yeah, when it comes that the locking on how to do the extended dreads, sorry. Extended dreads, I can talk about it. It is very, very nice, since it is soft and flexible on the head. So let's do it. You see how I'm trying to do to combine the gel with the locking. I just lock once, as you can see. Yeah, I leave that space, you see. Yes, just like that. You just make sure you leave the space for the extension, because when you lock it very, very tight, trust me, it's where the painful is going to start from. So when you're done with that, let's just because dread takes time, let's just reach on the main point. Well, it's like this. I think you've been following, if you've been following all the previous videos, I don't think I have taken you far, cause the main issue to see in this video is how I lock my extended dreads. So let's take a look on this one. I always lock it on sides, and when I do it, I make sure I separate this one like twice, like this, you see, and then I start using the hair. You see, I use the hair just up, down, just like this, up and then down, you see. That's how you always lock. This one always help, like since it's a temporary dread, they're not permanent. It will be easier for you if you want to unplait it. It will just be easier. You will be seeing your hair and you just unplait. You see, so if I'm going to crochet it, I make sure I put it in sides. You see, just like that. So when I pull it slowly, because my locking is not tight, so I just have to be so that doesn't come out, and I separate it as usual. You can see how I'm doing it, and when I'm done with that, I start locking. It's just up and then down. You see, I'm just using your own hair. So if I use this one, trust me, you yourself, you can even unplait it. You can even plait it. So I got this idea when people started plating dreads, and when it reached times on unplating them, they say it breaks their hair. But I thought about if I do it this way, when someone can easily see her own hair, in the dread, she can remove it safely. So let's see how the ending is supposed to be whenever you're plating. You see, so when it comes to locking, you just have to be very careful. Just look at my that thumb. You see, just like that. You make sure if you see there's still some space, you can lock it twice if there is a space. And make sure you use all your hands with the thumb like that. You see, it's now locking perfectly. So yeah. Look here, is what I'm trying to show you, that you make sure you use your normal hair. Yes, use your hair, the raw hair. It's what I always use. Yeah, so that it gets easier for you to remove it. You see, so it means you be seeing the hair, but when it's protected inside the kinky. You see how it is. So that idea, I got it for those people who always say that whenever they play dreads and they're trying to they try to unplait them, it breaks their hair. So I don't think here your hair is going anywhere when it is just locked this way. So trust me, extended dread, it is very, very protective and not painful at all, as long as you follow all these procedures. Yes, you see, tap. Yes, you have to use your both hands whenever you're locking. Yeah, so that you don't hurt someone. You see, just like that. It's very, very simple. As long as you have space to lock again, you can do it. Yes, just like that. Then trust me, there's no pain at all. So people shouldn't fear to play dreads thinking that it's painful. I don't think it is painful. Yeah, as long as you follow all these procedures like locking, leaving that quarter inch. I shouldn't lock it very tight. Yes, you should not before putting the extension. Yes, so that's how we keep on doing the extended dreads. And trust me, extended dread, it's the best. It's the best because it is soft, it is washable. You can repair it, and it's long lasting. So I just know it is very, very nice. And when you reach here in front, you should always be careful when it comes in front, like when you're trying to play it, you just have to be very, very careful. So you should be careful. You see how we do it. It's just up you put it up. You see, I'm just using your hair, trust me. Yes, so just tell me if you see how I do this, or why is your hair going to break when you're unplaiting it? Why? Because you can remove it while you're saying your own hair. So yes, that's how you have to do the extended dreads. You see, very perfect. I just like it. I love it. And let's try to see how it looks at the end, how you're supposed to lock the end. So I'm trying to be faster here. Yeah, so the ending is supposed to be like this. When you finish, when you're trying to finish after saying where you're supposed to stop, you get it up. You see, you take it back where you came from, just like that. You see, very simple. I know you can do this. You just have to do the practice, just like that. Yes, just like that. So this one helped me when I'm going to lock. Yes, when I'm going to lock, it helped me since I've lock it back. It helped me when I'm trying to hook it. You see, it's where the hook passes. So this is our extended read, and trust me, I want to shout out to all our friends who are watching right now. Those ones in United States of America, UK, those ones Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, that's UK, and those ones in Kenya, Nairobi, thank you so much. And those ones in United Emirates, thank you so much for watching us. And trust me, you can also try the extended rate because it's long lasting as long as you keep on repairing them. Yes, trust me, you will love it. It can even stay for a year. Yes, it can stay for a year, even two, as long as you keep on repairing it and you treating, you keep on giving your hair treatment. Trust me, you will love the extended dreads. And when it comes, by the time you will unplait, the whole hair that you had will come back to you with no breaking at all. So that's why I always love the extended dreads. Hey guys, those guys from Netherlands, Amman, Turkey, yes, Germany, we love you so much. Thank you for supporting Hair Zipper, and thank you for loving Hair Zipper. And as for now, yeah, just look at the way we're trying to lock in front. Here in front, you just have to be very careful, because it's where you should focus a lot. Yeah, for the good result, you have to make sure that the locking is looking very neat. And still, I want to shout out to all our friends in Fairy Pines. Yes, I can see you. I can see you. You're doing a great job. And Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, we love you so much. And as for now, I sign out. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. So just look at how flexible it is, and you will love the extended dreads. I love it. Bye bye.